Hello, everyone. Today I'm here with Ashneer, one of our AI residents. He was part of the third cohort. And thanks a lot, Ashneer, for spending your time with us and sharing your experience. So, first of all, Ashneer, I want to know about your professional experience little bit, what you were doing, what type of jobs that you were doing, and a little few lines of introduction about yourself and your professional life.
Okay, so I'm Ashner. I've been working with Huawei UAE for 5 years, and after that, I went back to Philippines. So I was working specifically in Open Lab department. So feel free to visit their office in UAE in Dubai Internet City. It's quite free. There's a lot of projects you can see there, from computer vision to server to IoT to AI and big data. So they have it all. Uh, I have known this program when I was actually part of Huawei. I have connected with Arshad, I think, when he's still working with Al Futaim. So the first question he asked me when I actually connect with him in LinkedIn is, why do you want to connect? So I was actually shocked and confused. So he's actually filtering those people who wants to connect with him, and to be those people who are actually giving importance to the connection, to the link, to the establishment of people. And I was actually liking that idea because it's not just some connection without any meaningful meanings, right? So it's actually from that time that I actually followed him. What are his works? And then from his LinkedIn, that's the time that I saw, oh, he already left Al Futayim to start a new career. So I followed the decoding data science and check what are the things that they're actually doing. So I'm actually surveying it quietly. I may not be active during those times, but I saw the progress of the school or the training. That's why on the third cohort, I saw that, okay, there's a lot of students that already graduated and they have good feedback. So why not give it a try, right? So I'll join it. So after my career with Huawei, I went back to the Philippines. Uh, I contacted him and I said I want to join the program as well, as it has a proven two cohorts already. So I joined it, and I think my decision was an amazing decision because not only did I learn what LLM is, it broadens my learning as well, and it pushed me beyond my capabilities. So there are a lot of challenges, that there are amazing people there. So I remember when I actually started with LLM that it started with just a simple program like a weather chatbot where you're going to ask the AI to give you some ideas about the weather. But from there, it grows. So it becomes something like a bigger system. It becomes a RAG system that helps me monitor my, for example, from one of my project here is the lawn mowing machine. So it helps me give recommendations to the client using AI, using LLMs. So not only a simple, just from a simple weather, but it grows. It grows big. It grows to the idea of me now giving recommendation to the clients using LLM. So that's a good progress, I think, from my side. And in addition to that, there are a lot of challenges in this training. So if you are a beginner, you will see what are the possible projects, especially for those inspiring students or masters or PhD students. I'll say this is a really great opportunity to join. If you have the time, if you have the resources to join these challenges, join it. Why? One, there are a lot of ideas. So they are giving you pre-ideas already. Like there are some competitors there that they are doing LLM for material science, for cosmetics. There's a lot of even building a story. So from that, there's a lot of ideas already coming in your mind. So if you're going to make a paper, you're going to do a dissertation, this already gives you an idea and you can improve from it. Okay, I know it's like, cheating, but not, because you'll just take an idea from this one project, another idea from this project, another idea from this project, and then you combine it, and it will give you a new, different product, right? So that's one thing that really gives a boost. And not only that, these challenges also inspire you to be better. You see that there are a lot of people good okay, or a best on this field, okay. And from that, you will not get overconfident that you already know all of it, but it will give you a challenge that these things I need to learn more. Okay, this I need to learn. I need to learn it to do this kind of project. I need to know what is this so that I can do the same as what he or she did. And you know what's the good thing about it? During the challenge, they explain the method, the process, and some people even explain the code beyond it. So or behind it. So you're getting these ideas already. Okay. So for me, it's actually amazing.
Yes, so first of all, yes, thanks a lot, Ashneer, for telling this. And I was just looking at the history. Yes, because I have a limitation of the LinkedIn connections. So that is the reason why I always make sure that, because you know there's a limitation of LinkedIn, and you only connect with people who you know or who need some value from you, right? So thanks for mentioning about this, and talking about the whole program. And as you mentioned, we are not only teaching you foundations, that is very important, but also teaching you how to learn, because that is also
Yes.
very important. How to learn new things, that skill is very very important, right? And
Mhm.
I'm hope now that message is gone across through your cohort as well, that keep learning. There is no other shortcut to learning.
Yep,
So
definitely.
what did you like best about the AI residency program?
What I like about it is how the dynamic the course is. Okay, there. If you look it in the first picture, like a first picture perspective, you'll see that maybe it's quite easy. No, that's the time when you go there, you'll get your hands dirty. Okay, you have to do the coding. It's not something that you go in, listen in, and go out. No, what I like it about it is we get a chance to actually apply what we have listened to. We are pushed beyond our limits to apply this. Okay, so when you go out of this program, when you finish the program and go out of, you are confident that you have learned something, that you gained more ideas than before.
So now what is your future plan? Like how are you going to take this learning, and what is the next step for you? What is the next stage for you?
So for me, since I have learned LLMs and all, and since I have a background with data science and AI together with the company that I went into, actually my next goal is to actually go for a PhD. So I'm planning to take my PhD in one of the university in Saskatchewan. It is actually USask. Okay, so that's my next target, and this program actually helps me a lot. So it gives me idea what are the program, what are the project that I can integrate with my dissertation. So together with the ideas that I have from multiple companies before, adding LLM into that makes the picture much more bigger and making me more capable with making my dissertations.
And regarding this, what is one of your message to the people who are still thinking whether they should take this program or not? As you mentioned that it looks easy from outside, but the detailing is very important. So, what will be your message to all of them?
So the message for those who are planning to take this, I advise take it. If you have the time, if you have the resources, take this program. This will be quite worth it. This is not a course that you take something like in YouTube University that you listen and then you don't learn anything. You just listen to it. Okay, this will push you to do the code. You will learn a lot. If you want to become a consultant or if you want to proceed with technical details in the future, this will help you. So one thing that this course helped me is to write a program. Okay, in a way that it supports AI. So before when I write the code from the scratch. It takes time. Okay, and then I saw that a lot of people actually writing the code with the help of AI, and they are able to finish the project much faster. Okay, so from that you will learn it. So some of those people who are wondering, should I join it? You should join it, because right now we are on the age of AI where if you don't know how to use AI, your position could be in danger. Okay, I'll be frank. So you need to learn AI. You need to learn how to integrate AI with your workplace to keep yourself future proof for any AI changes. So that would be my advice.
And for me, when I talk to a lot of prospective students, they tell me that it's too long. 20 weeks, 4 months, 5 months is too long. Can't you teach me something in a week or 2 weeks? So, what is your message to them? According to the duration of the program, and if someone wants to learn everything quickly, what will be your message to them?
So my message for them is, I know you. I understand that some of you are rushing things, but no. If you rush things, you are tend to fail. Okay, so it needs time. It needs nurturing. You cannot ask the tree to grow in 5 days to become a plant to grow in a huge tree in 5 days, right? So the same for us. If we listen it for five weeks, you can do it. You can just watch a recording, you'll get it in. But did you get the idea, the information, the knowledge, the training that you actually applied for? No. Right? So my advice is, takes time. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Keep learning, keep pushing, and you will learn. So that's my advice for them.
Yes, that's the reason why we are trying to do everything in 15 weeks, and it's a very intensive thing. And we need to give people time to digest the learning that is there, to go
Mm-hmm.
practice, to build something. If not, it is going to be, you need, it's not only about listening, right? It is also about retaining it. And the best way to retain it
Yes.
is to do it, to do something, to practice it, to improve it. And lot of
Mm.
thought has been gone behind this, because I have been doing academy for 8 years. If you try to see how we are doing these, the assignments, the classes, the recordings, the challenges, it is designed in a way that people not only go through theory but actually do things and practice and retain it, and that is the whole purpose. And I am very thankful that students are enjoying it, residents are enjoying it. And what I also do is, I because our alumni, like as Ashneer is one of our alumni, he has experienced this himself. Because these type of products, we don't have a brand, we are not coming from a big university, we don't have a huge budget. So everything that we do is to thanks to ambassadors like Ashneer, who has completed this, experienced it, benefited from it, and he is going to share it with people whom he knows, that who is interested to learn in a very good way. That is there. The best thing is, if you are able to take a 2 years break and go to a college and learn everything. But what we are doing is very much different, because we are not only going through foundations, we are also giving you latest things that are there, how
Yes.
to learn. So we are trying to become a bridge between the traditional universities and companies who are actually doing the
Yep.
things. And yes, so any final thoughts, in and I hope you there is a lot of thinking going behind these programs. It is that in every cohort that we do, we try to learn and improve. And Any feedback that you have in the future, any support you require from us, let us know. But before we end, any final thoughts regarding every experience you want to share with the community?
Yep. So as a final thought, those who are joining right now, that's already in the program, trust Arshad. Okay. He will give you the best ideas, the learning, and he will push you. He will even message you. Okay. So some of the cohorts or training that I've joined so far, it's not something like that. But he will message you. If you don't do something, he will message you. So trust him. I experienced that because sometimes I forgot to do those things. He messaged me, okay, to submit all of these projects. And for those who are planning to join, if you have resources, join, right? Uh, you already saw, for me, I already saw one, two, and I'm the third batch to actually join this program. So there's a proven concept already that this program is actually working, and people joining this program learns. And this community is growing big. So if you just check the WhatsApp, you'll see a lot of people there sharing their ideas. And some of these people are just not ordinary people. If you check their portfolio, their profile, you'll see how good they are on their field, how active they are. So if you're still in doubt for that, then I don't know what I can say. But for me personally, I have checked it before I joined. I checked the profile of the people there. I have checked the reviews of the people going out after the cohort, and they are all saying great. So I've joined it. So that's my last take for that.
Yes, thanks a lot, Ashneer, for sharing your experience.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.